Hi, I'm Russ Capper, and this is another Boxer Business Brief. My guest now is Adria McKnight of That'sMyLawyer.com. Adria, welcome to the brief.
Thank you for having me.
You bet. Tell us about That'sMyLawyer.com.
That'sMyLawyer.com is a website that I created. I'm obviously the owner, but I'm also the lead attorney on the website.
Okay.
The idea behind That'sMyLawyer.com is a fresh approach to the law. So when you log on to That'sMyLawyer.com, it's unlike any lawyer's website you've ever seen.
Okay.
It's fresh, it's forward thinking, and the point of that is I want people to visit the website and remember, wow, that lawyer is different from any other lawyer I've ever met. And that's kind of the approach that I take to practicing law. We think outside of the box, we don't follow the norm, we challenge the status quo, and that's what That'sMyLawyer.com is all about.
Cool. That's quite a domain name, too. I mean, you probably didn't just say, hey, nobody's got this, I'll take it.
It's definitely quite a domain name. Yes, it wasn't just out there in cyberspace waiting for me.
Right.
It was quite the challenge to get, but once we got it, it's mine to keep now.
All right, cool. So before you had it, were you that much focused on capturing new clients via the web?
I didn't have a website.
Okay.
I had spoken to other web developers and they just couldn't capture the essence of who I am as a lawyer, because obviously people think that I'm young, even though I've been practicing now for almost 5 years.
Wow.
But instead of using that as a disadvantage, it's really become an advantage to my practice.
Right.
Because what I found is people love the idea of having a fresh approach to the law. Because we get in the courtroom, you know, we're hungry, we're excited about learning, we're excited about the law, we're not desensitized to what's going on around us. So it's really become the advantage to my practice.
Great. Okay, so you've already mentioned the courtroom, so I might guess, but tell us, what kind of law do you practice?
I primarily practice criminal defense.
Okay.
I like to say that I'm a trial lawyer, not a plea lawyer, which means that we're not afraid to go to trial. I love trial. In fact, that's probably my favorite part about being a lawyer.
Wow.
In addition to trying criminal cases, which include things as small as an assault on a family member to something as large as a murder case.
Wow.
In addition to trying those type of cases, we also are focusing on employment discrimination.
Okay.
Specifically, we're focused on employment discrimination toward women, whether that's because of gender, age, pregnancy, and in addition to that, sexual harassment against women in the workplace. So we have a lot on our plates, but it keeps us busy.
Okay, well, I guess you would. I mean, with that domain name, and I understand you've even done some outdoor advertising, some billboard advertising, I would think that you're probably attracting a lot of attention.
Yes, the billboard was definitely a power move, so to speak. If you ever see the billboard, you know it's me because it's very different, again, outside of the box. In fact, it's just my picture with the website.
Oh, wow.
Very small is my name in the corner, but when I spoke to the designer, I said, look, I want the focus to be about the website, and that's it. We don't need numbers. We don't need, my address.
There's not even a phone number on it.
It's no phone numbers.
Cool.
And at first they tried to discourage me from doing that. I said, no, this is what people want. People remember websites, not phone numbers.
That's right.
And I was right.
Yeah, it definitely sounds like you know what you're doing. So really appreciate you sharing your story with us.
Thank you for having me.
You bet. And that wraps up my discussion with Adria McKnight. And this is a Boxer Business Brief.